It's Monday, RJ. It is such a Monday, isn't it?
It is a Monday for sure. That is the day of the week.
All right, it's late. We're starting late today. Today, I think we're gonna treat as a update and plan of attack for the week. We got a lot going on. So first off, let's all say hi to Donald because he hasn't been around in a minute. Look at you working on your car.
Ew.
We're so proud of you.
What's up? We're getting there. She's gonna run.
Well, she does run, just like shit.
No, like drive. I want to drive it. Yeah. So I'm gonna set a deadline.
Get to it. Are you still posting to your YouTube channel?
Video coming this week.
Okay, all right. But whatever. You guys know DJ's 1J Swap sitting in the corner for the last, we don't know. But I'm proud of him. He's doing something today, but
I have to start with the dates on.
Oh yeah, you've been keeping track, RJ? All right, well, I'm just happy he's here working on it. It makes me super stoked. So, man, we got a lot to talk about, but first we're gonna start by heading up to Brian and Josh's shop. Can we get a Hershey pie first?
Like from Burger King?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, sure. Which one is his? I don't remember.
Where the mini truck is.
Oh.
So, some of you guys might not realize this, but Brian and Josh actually do have their own shop, and it's about a town over. And, well, we haven't been here in a long time, so. I don't even know how to get in. Is this how we get in? Is this, is this how we get in? Yep. Here we are, boys. Oh, dude, it's a lot cleaner than I thought it was gonna be.
What do you mean? It's not bad. I mean, the floor constantly looks like, okay, there's not normally actually dirt on the floor, but it looks like dirt.
No, it's like way less cluttered than it usually is. I'm impressed. It's nice to be in here.
Yeah, there's less cars, maybe. I don't really know. Yeah, there's definitely less cars.
I do love your giant neck deep thing in the background.
Neck deep?
That's not what that. Ew. What's wrong with you?
Is this it? Is this what is what is that?
That's an AVA.
That's an AVA.
Speaking of which, remember how we had all this talk about ABA, OBD1, this and that, the other thing? Josh's gonna get a bomb, man, bing, bang, boom. We're gonna swap it over, bam, we're done for a little while until he rebuilds the built motor, and then that thing we're gonna swap, bing, bang, boom. We'll be done a second time.
Josh Corrado, if you guys know what we're talking about, yeah.
Right, you know, spend money, pick up an ABA, cheap, right? No big deal. I was over here the other day doing some investigating. Come with me. Don't mind the basketball park one.
Oh my God.
Josh forgot he had an extra engine. Who forgets that?
Josh.
All right, Josh, when you get here, we'll probably roast you a little bit more for forgetting that.
But check this out, check this out. Josh had an extra engine.
A whole ass engine.
A whole ass engine. He forgot he had it.
Not only that, it's also a 2-liter.
And more
It's a
importantly,
16 valve.
it's a 16 valve already. So Volkswagen has this engine called a 9A, right? That's the term, right?
Yeah. There's like an ABF and there's a 9A. Those are both 2-liter, 16 valves. The ABF is probably way sicker. Well, it's definitely way sicker. It's from Europe.
So we keep naming all these crazy things, but essentially what we're gonna do, right? So Josh's bottom end was bad, but his head was awesome, so we wanted to put his head on a new bottom end. We're gonna do 2.0 bottom end, just stock one and boost it, do all that good stuff. The bottom end to have just happens to be the 9A, and Josh just happens to have a 9 freaking A.
Who forgets that?
Right? This thing definitely looks like it's been sitting in a shop for like, I mean, it's probably good, right?
Allegedly pulled out a running car.
That's what they all say. Is it on it's on a dolly. Oh, sheesh.
Good to go.
I'm not at your shop.
All right, looks always good to see the valve covers, the cap's missing. Excellent.
Whatever, we don't need that.
Yeah,
we don't need that. Yeah,
Great.
we're good. Yeah, great first start.
What? Who took this off?
What?
Josh? All right, we don't need that either. Cool.
Essentially, all we need from this is the bottom end. So, fingers crossed. So it's my favorite part about Brian's shop. This thing was made in like the 60s. Wow. How great is that, dude?
That's so good.
Well, when you guys said you had an engine center around your shop that you forgot about, I guess I should have assumed it looked like this.
Yeah, I could sort of see why I forgot about it. If anyone seriously needs an 020 near Connecticut, DM me in the next 3 days or else I'm throwing it out.
Look who showed up.
Came to the junkyard. Found ourselves a nice good old 16 valve, and apparently this one's a 2.0. Those are rare. I didn't even know I had one. I think I'm gonna make some sauce. I hope. It's pretty crusty.
We're gonna find out once the head's off, huh?
That thing is dusty.
All right, Josh, we need sockets. Perfect timing.
Blast this tranny
So
off.
I didn't want to do that.
Oh, all right, let's do that.
Why is this thing so stuck?
That's a rusty son of a bitch.
Oh my god.
Wow. Is this the original? Look. It's the original clutch?
That's cool.
You got a low mileage piece on your hand, Josh. Nice.
Come on, stop moving.
Oh my God!
Josh,
No, stop.
wrong way, Josh. Josh, you smashed it. You broke the water pump.
Yeah, I guess so.
Josh, relax. I told you he broke the water pump. I said it earlier.
You broke the water pump, Josh.
How did I not break the pulley before I broke the water?
Because the water pump's aluminum. Jesus.
No, stop!
Oh, it's Volkswagen coolant.
Wow. This thing was maintained at the dealer.
All right, so we got really lucky with this engine, right? So a lot of you guys knew if you're a Volkswagen head, originally we were gonna get an ABA block because they're very abundant. The 2 already has forged rods from the factory, whatever, all this good stuff. What I didn't realize, but I got a lot of comments telling me, when you take a 16 valve head like Josh had and you put it on that 8 valve ABA engine, the pistons are shaped different, which actually causes the compression to be lowered when you put the 16 valve head on it, which actually makes about 8-to-1. So I ordered a big decompression head gasket to lower the compression, not really realizing that it already lowered the compression since we were boosting it. Now, with the 9A, it's already a 16 valve engine, so it has the 16 valve shaped pistons, which allows it to not drop compression when we put a 16 valve head already on it. Now the 9As aren't common, so we just obviously didn't go for that route originally. But I ordered like the thickest decompression head gasket like ever just to be safe, and it actually works out perfect because I believe the 9As are actually 10-to-1 from the factory, which is pretty crazy. So this gasket should actually bring it down to 9-to-1, which will make it a lot safer for boost. So lucked out like crazy on this one. Hopefully this thing actually checks out though. I'm feeling optimistic here. Not as pretty as your last one though.
No, not as pretty as the last one. The last one had too much money spent on it, that's why.
Nice. Look at the water pump. Look at the water pump.
Doesn't even want to turn. The thing was trashed. I'm glad I broke it.
I wonder why it doesn't turn.
That was easy. I should probably save this cover.
Yeah, did you break it?
No, I don't.
Looks freshly broken to me.
Look how crusty this thing is. Everything's great.
Oh my god. It's like
Oh my god.
You should put it down, take this bolt out, and take this bracket off.
Oh.
It will not be. Cop the merch.
Looking good there, Josh. Looking good. Almost stripped. You want to take all this off too? Because we can't use that.
yeah, no, it's all coming off.
Okay. What technique are you using there, Brian?
Jam a 12mm on a 13.
Works every time. All right, so now, if we're lucky, these 4 studs won't break into the engine.
Yeah, those are gonna break.
Those are gonna break. Cross everything you got, boys. Ooh, 1, 2.
Oh no, I think my extensions. Is that really the different size? What?
Yep, that's a different size.
Why would they?
That's the most Volkswagen they've ever seen. Yes. Get it out of here. That's right. Broken ass water pump housing. Look at this. This surface is still smooth. That's good. That is very good. This, not so.
On this table. Wow, now you can really see the rust.
There's a little bit of spray paint. All right, guys, remember, while you're sitting here shaking your head, like, what are these guys doing? Right? This is temporary. This is so Josh can get his car on the road. He can enjoy it a little bit, figure out the rest of the problems this car is gonna have.
And get it out of Jimmy's shop.
And then he'll be throwing his built bottom end back together correctly, so then we could do the switcheroo and have it, you know, making jam and doing all that stuff. So.
And then beating Brian's Mark II.
Yes. That's
Ooh, you hear that, Brian?
well, still.
It's not stock. It did not come with that motor. Got a point.
The engine stock.
Nothing to see here, folks.
Nothing. Nothing. Like that shirt. Like with the blitz on it. It's nothing.
Discontinued.
Stop.
Hey,
stop.
hey.
Get,
What? That's what we're doing. The whole,
Volkswagen people, that's
this
money.
is how. This is what happened to the water pump, huh?
that's what we do.
Huh?
Keeping the thing alive. Yo, look how. Yo, look how like good this cleaned up though. Give it a quick wire brush on the drill. We paint it and it look.
wow, it looks so good.
Okay, well, it's not crusty anymore. We could paint it and it actually look presentable. I've seen 2010 motors look like this, so I'm not complaining. So, all right, well, we got it stripped down. It's looking presentable now. Now we gotta get to my shop and we'll get the head off and finally get a good inspection on the bottom end. We can't even rotate it because, well, it has no timing belt on, so we don't wanna whack a valve. Yeah, let's get this in the truck and get to it.
Where'd he go? It's like a superhero.
You're good. You're good.
Look at that.
This is how we should have picked up the RB.
You didn't want to drive in the rain.
I didn't want to drive an hour in the rain.
Yeah, I think sideways may be a bad idea, but all right.
There we go.
All right, it turned over. That may not be a good thing. Crank just moved.
Whatever.
Way to go, Jimmy.
Get a ratchet strap. We're good to go. That ain't going nowhere, dude.
No. It's not worth it. Yeah,
Donnie, help him out.
the amount I would tell you to be talking for is cheaper.
Yeah, we're good
He ain't
now.
going nowhere.
Now we're good.
Oh, we're going with two straps. Safety ties.
Just for like an extra.
A safety net, get it?
Well, let's get to the shop.
Wait, can we do like a snap thing where it just... Now we're at the shop.
See, I tried doing that and it never works half the time.
We know we have to jump. We're here. All right, so we have our new 9A engine, which we got really lucky, right? Josh already had it, so he doesn't have to spend money. And two, it's honestly the better bottom end to go with. At least I think so.
Yeah,
so, it works out. It'll be happier with the 65 hev, all that stuff. So a couple more things we need. And obviously it's a gamble until we open up the bottom end. And so that we'll do tomorrow because it's really freaking late. So get this on the stand, take it apart, and then we gotta take all of this and just shove it right onto that thing, and before you know it, hopefully this thing can be running and driving, and Josh can finally drive his 10-year project Corrado.
I guess I'll go to Harbor Freight tomorrow and pick up another engine stand because we ran out of engine stands.
Should we grab the one that was at my shop?
Yeah, it's all right. We need more around here. But
I'll go
yeah.
pick up another one.
I could just give you the code and you can go there and pick it up.
We just need another one.
Yeah, true. All right, so today worked out really well. With that, today's cool. Really happy this happened and we got this far. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And bye.
Oh, have a great night. Peace.